4 mistakes that affected my channel as a small YouTuber, which I don't want you out there to do this mistake. And I know a lot of people are already confused going around. They're just confused watching different videos. They don't know how to go about this particular mistake. Don't be scared. Just know that this video is for you, and after watching this video, believe me, you're going to see that errors and you're going to correct it now, and you're going to correct it rightly after watching this video. So please make sure you listen attentively to these 4 mistakes, because it can affect your channel and you won't even know where to start from, which I know it has affected me, and I just tried to figure it out recently, which has been helping me. So I just feel like to come out here to share with you guys. It can help others too that are in that same situation. So if you want to understand every details in this video, I'll advise you watch this video to the end, so you know the one you are into, right? So you know the one you are battling with right now in your channel, and you know how to go about it. So if you feel this video is beautiful for you to watch, or this video is what you like to watch, please like and subscribe to our channel. And to our new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Number 1 thing that affected me as a small YouTuber, or as a new YouTuber then, is video editing. Yes, and I don't know how to shoot my videos. I don't know how to edit my videos properly. Shooting my videos, like I was shooting my videos wrongly. I positioned my camera wrongly. All those things matters a lot. Yes, all those things will not even make YouTube to notice your channel, will not even make YouTube to start recommending your videos, like editing of your videos and thumbnails. And if your camera is not placed where, the lighting, all those things are very, very, very important. And if you don't know how to go about editing your videos or setting your cameras, I've posted a video out there how you can go about that. You can just go and watch and correct that right now. After watching that video, believe me, you're going to learn a lot of how to do your camera setting and how to do your video editing. So second thing that affected me is channel setting. This channel setting, it is very, very important, which I know a lot of us have not done our channel setting. You have to reset that channel. It's not all about opening your channel. Like, I opened this channel and I didn't do any channel setting at all. I didn't even know that YouTube studio is there for something. Like, I have a lot I need to do in that YouTube studio. I hardly open my YouTube studio. All I will just do is that I will just come and post video and go out. I do not really know what this YouTube street is all about, how it works. It affected me, and I was not getting views. I was getting like 3 views a month. I'll be getting like 3 views. It was so bad. But at the end of the day, I watched a lot of videos and I tried to figure out where this mistake is coming from. Like I said, I love making research, right? After watching video, I will just go ahead and make research concerning that settings and implement it on my channel. And I started doing these settings on my channel, and ever since then I have been coming to understand what this YouTube is all about. I've understand a lot so far that I was even regretting that I wish I knew about this channel setting all this while. I would have done it, like I would have gone far. But it's not still bad. Thank God that I get to find out on time and I correct it on my channel. And by the grace of God, it's helping me right now, which I know that a lot of you out there don't know about this channel setting. Please go to your YouTube studio and take all the necessary settings you know you need to do on your studio, and do it, and you're going to see changes in your YouTube channel. Believe me, you're going to see it. Another thing is sharing of link after uploading your videos. I know you have been watching a lot of videos, a lot of YouTubers saying it out there that don't share your links immediately after uploading your video. Yes, it is true, it has affected me. I won't lie. Like, you upload your video immediately, you take your link and share it to WhatsApp. Do you know why we said you should not share your link, or why I'm saying you should not share your link? Because if you share that link, those people you are sharing those links to, they might not come to watch your videos. And you know YouTube love engagement, so they might not come to watch that video. So the best thing for you to do is for you to allow YouTube to do its thing. Allow YouTube to push that video out there for it to get views before you can start sharing your link. I'm not saying that you cannot share your link. Yes, but not immediately after uploading your videos, then you start sharing your link. I've said it in my other videos about switching accounts, which you can go and watch if you want to understand much better, because I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'm just saying you can just go and watch it there. So please don't share your link after uploading your videos. Instead of you to share your link, watch that video first to the end, then you click on that video, you like that video, and you comment. Then you allow YouTube to do it. That's why you see some of the times new YouTubers, you upload your video and you share the link immediately, you just have like 3 views. It should just be stuck, it will not move. This is just the reason why. Always allowed YouTube to recommend your video, to do its thing immediately after uploading your video. Another thing that affected me is changing of niche. Yes, I changed my niche because I was not really good at what I was actually doing then. So I just like, okay, let me just change my niche. And the subscribers I got, some of the subscribers I got was actually from that link from Short. So I just like, okay, let me just change my niche and just start saying it out there, because these are errors that a lot of people are doing. Let me just talk about YouTube setting, YouTube growth, which is what I'm doing right now. If you have been following my videos, you see that all my videos are all practicals. I put it out there because I want small YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers, to start doing these settings and start doing all these things in the channel if you know you want to grow in this YouTube street. Yes, because we have a lot of competitors and we have to stand out, and we have to make our videos to stand out, right? So if you know that your niche is not what you love doing, you can just switch to another niche that you know that is what you can do, right? Is what we can do. Some of us are doing niche that we know that we are not capable of, and at the end of the day, we won't be able to get to the results that we actually want. So for us to change that, you can just go ahead and change your niche immediately to the one that you know that you can do more better. You understand? To make our videos stand out and to make YouTube to start recommending our videos, so for us to get the views that we want. So these are just the 4 mistakes that has affected my channel, and I was able to find my way around these mistakes and figure it out, which is helping me now. So if you know that you are doing any of these mistakes, you can just go quickly and correct it now, and you're going to see how your channel is going to change. Your channel is going to turn around for good. So God is going to help all of us small YouTubers for us to achieve our dreams, for us to achieve everything we really want to achieve in this YouTube street. So if you're a small YouTuber, what I want you to do right now is just for you to go to the comment section and comment "small YouTubers gather here," so that we all small YouTubers, we're going to follow each other. Please, let's support each other. Let's support each other. We have to support each other in this YouTube street, and for us to achieve that is for us to comment in the comment section and say "small YouTubers gather here," and let us connect each other. So let's connect to each other. So if you find this video very helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video so to get to a whole lot of people. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Bye, see you in our next video.